Moniepoint. I'm saying so against the backdrop of one very ugly experience that I have to go through. As somebody that is analog, I was so gullible. Somebody called me and told me to give him some numbers. I gave him some numbers, and then all of a sudden, I could not access my WhatsApp platform. Then I now complained to my daughter, who is more digital, that this is what happened. He said, you have been hacked, oh, Daddy, you have been hacked. I said, what is hacked? What is hacked? She said, you have been hacked. That we should quickly do something so that it should be reversed. So before the reversal, the man that hacked my telephone has succeeded in getting some millions from some people. He's just sent my details, my number or something that I need some money, and those people that he sent are so gullible that they send money to that account. And the account they use is Moniepoint account. Moniepoint. So, and from experience, from other colleagues, from other people, such people normally use OPay and Moniepoint only. My question is, what is the attraction for using only Moniepoint and OPay rather than using the conventional banks? Is it because it is very difficult to see you physically?
It's okay.
So there is need for proper regulation of the way Moniepoint and OPay operate, so that when there is something, at least you have somewhere physically you can go to with a view to laying your complaint or something. Thank you.
But you trace them to somebody that has sold his identity unknowingly. So that has been the problem. Yeah. So okay. So on the last one, on branches, on where you can complain, the branches where you can complain. Now I can assure you that before the end of this year, you will have minimum of 10 branches this year in all the geopolitical zone first, an additional 4 states to make it 10, and before the end of 2028, you are going to have it in all states of the federation. We've been given that mandate by CBN, and we have given them the progress and also the timeline of how we are going to get there. I think that's it.